Yo, good morning, guys, or good whatever time of day. We got some co-anglers with me. We got a little fall break for the kids, so we are fishing instead of going to school. Come to the lake. Gonna get these boys on some bass. First, I'd like to thank Carl's Fishing and Outdoors for sponsoring this video. And Carl's is helping you save big this holiday season. He went nuts again this year and made some ridiculous deals for Carl's Club members. Now's your chance to stock up on your favorite products and find the perfect gift for your fishing partners. And here are a couple of my favorite, as you guys know, for the winter. It's great. They carry lots of different brands, obviously Lagoon stuff, Biospawn, but here, Kitech, Swing, Impact, love throwing these in the winter. Look at the price, $4 a bag, lots of colors, something to definitely get from them all the time. And also, if you're fishing Castaic, obviously you know Rebel Worms, they're available here. And for cheap, if you're a Carl's Club member, good price. I mean, $4.50 for a bag, that's pretty good. And lots of good colors too. Ooh, that feels big. That's a big one. Let me see how your drag is. Let me see your drag real quick. Did you get off?
Yeah. Alright, now you can see the grass.
Yes.
Maybe a 1 pounder. You know, maybe.
Okay.
It's a bit small, but
It's a one something.
I think.
Yeah, we'll put a level for sure.
Okay.
Beautiful. Beautiful hook set. That's a jobu.
Hook sets is I poke it in my hip and then I lift it up, so it's like all stable when I lift
Good retie.
Oh dang it.
Alright, put it right down.
Oh wow, that's actually kind of a chunky guy.
Next one. Got a lip. Go.
Ooh, he's kind of chunky.
Come over here. Look on the jobu.
Hey, I got my first fish of the day. Hey guys, I caught a little 1 pounder, but he's pretty chunko. So yeah. Should I bust it too?
I got fish.
Got a fish?
Yeah.
Should I bust the tuna weenie?
I'll get us back over there.
I don't know. About today, maybe after this.
Yeah. Thanks, dude.
This is bigger. Mine is on.
Ooh. Ooh. I'll get out. Fish. Yeah? Alright.
No.
Sure?
Oh, I'm still on.
Yeah. Yes! Bring him in. All the way. Swing him in. Swing him in. Help him out, Luke. Yeah, let's go. Put that tip over the side. Avosaurus Rex. Yeah, great picture.
Look at this fish.
Try to go back in the tab though. Try not to be out of the tab too long or it'll take you out. I can't lose.
Here's the choice of colors right here.
Oh, the shimmy box?
This is the one you had on. These are obviously real popular. There's a June bug.
That one's the best one, but I want this one.
Okay, yeah, the watermelon candy's good too. Yeah?
Yep.
Oh.
Oh no, please. Yes, let's go on, please. Yep. I see him. Oh, let me strike it. No. Is it the same one? Oh no, it's bigger. It's bigger, right?
Mm-hmm. Nice job.
Is it the same one?
No, but it's similar though. I think it's a little bigger, a little fatter.
Yeah, it's chunky. It's not feisty.
Ooh.
You show.
Show that camera.
My second fish, and everybody else got one.
Yeah, right in front of the boat, that's fish.
Okay, move a little bit to the right because that's where my fish went. That's where my other.
Just watch those weeds. You gotta cast out past all this stuff. I just got bit. Oh, I lost him. I know. I just lost one. Freaking first cast I had one on. Oh my gosh, that was a good one too. Yes. Mini bass. All right, got the UFO again out here. A little bit. Don't go that way though. I'm going over the grass. You gotta cast the other way.
Is that a good cast? No, it wasn't. Is the drop shot the right thing for this? Oh, don't.
Yeah?
It's a big. Yep. Oh, it's big. It's fighting. Yes.
Keep working it. Keep working it. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Step up, yeah.
It's like a 2 or 3 pounder.
That's good. Keep it. Okay, bring him over here. Keep reeling. Keep reeling.
He's just tough fighter. He's probably.
Keep reeling. Oh,
And you saw that, right? Poor guy.
oh no.
No.
Oh, look at someone else did that to him. Wow.
Poor guy. Right?
Yeah. They ripped his lip. You just had a little drop shot weight on him.
Yeah.
Nice 2-pounder.
I'm not gonna release it.
Hold it.
I don't wanna. It's bleeding. It's like up the first fish.
All right. Evan was a nice, healthy.
1.5
Healthy one.
pounder, right?
It's probably 2.
Ooh.
The one we just got.
How much is it?
198, just under 2.
190.
Someone else ripped his lip. Nice one, high five.
Should we call Mom? Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Another one.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
And you got another
Come
one.
on, keep out of the grass.
Man, I knew it. It's tinier.
Okay. Oh my gosh. The net man is busy. Keep him out of the grass. Keep rolling. Real fast. Real fast. Real fast, yeah.
Get it.
Real. He's going the other way. Okay, stop reeling. Lift him. That's another good one.
I got another one.
Yes.
Okay, this one isn't bleeding, right?
Nice. Perfect.
We'll have to do it better.
Easy. Okay. Hold on. Hold him real tight though. I'll show that camera.
Got him. Second fish in 1 cast. Right after I got my other one. Oh my, I got another one.
Oh my gosh.
I knew it!
Bring him in.
It's tiny.
Okay. Flip him in. Oh,
Okay, we can go home.
oh no. Okay. Third one. So let's
Wait,
go.
no.
To the back camera.
Got him. Third one. All casts. First one,
Should we-
next cast, second,
Hold
first cast after my second fish. Third one. Let's make
think I
it
got
4. Here, Daddy.
Do you want to release it?
Oh,
Really?
oh, yeah. Oh, there's my bait right there.
Okay.
It's floating.
I'll back up. You want to grab it?
Actually, might have bit it.
Oh, yeah? Oh, your bait was gone? Oh, I actually have one. I don't know. I think I have one. No, maybe I don't. Oh, I do have one. But look how baby he is. That's why. Oh, no. Whoa.
Okay, you got yours.
Bass in the grass. Oh my gosh. I was like, wait, that's a fish? Oh no, don't move. I can hardly get his lippy so little. Now that's like the cutest bass ever.
Let me see how cute.
Look how little, he's a little sushi.
He's a little sushi.
Look at that guy.
Show the camera. So cute.
Stop begging, boys. Look at how little that.
It's just the angle. Put it up close.
He's not begging. He's probably just born a couple months ago.
Okay. Bye, little guy.
All right, Evan.
I'm looking at it.
Kelly, camera's on. Those are your fish. Those are this. Look at the camera. Smile. Let's show
I'll
me.
get the picture on the front, right?
Evan's two nice ones for Evan. There, dudes.
See? I
Yeah.
told you.
Oh.
Fish. Okay, I reached my goal. You caught one, and I caught my foot.
Number 4. All right, Evan. Evan's number 4. There he is. That's funny. I saw him dive right after it. He's like, bzz. God, he's small. Huge ones.
6 pounder.
That's another little itty bitty one.
Hello, guy.
Very good.
Looks bigger, right? Wow.
Super little dudes. But there's fish. Get you fishing too, you'll catch some. Right. Good spot on this weed line.
Oh. Did you see that? Beat bop, bada boo, habba da bada dee.
Yeah?
Oh, it's big. I don't need that. Fish.
Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
Fifth fish.
Another good one. Hold it real tight. Just pinch it real tight, as tight as you can.
Caught fifth fish. Look at that.
Oh, that's a great job.
Okay. Can you keep it? Oh, it's just under.
Throw her over here. Yeah. Woo!
A fish closed my tail.
What did I tell you?
The catch too, and I caught one.
Did you see the hook?
Yeah, it's okay. 6 fish, baby.
Hold her up. I got it. He's not that big. He's like, yeah.
That one was mine.
Isn't that funny? I said this is my confidence color, you know, and like I catch right away on it.
Oh, and before I had 3 times. Now I only have 2. Oh no, you're catching up. I gotta get one.
This is a little fat guy.
Is he doing it? He's cute.
Little fatty.
I feel like we've caught that one. That's just like a normal bass, right?
Little chunkos. Little chunk of chunks. Little healthy bass.
Can I release it?
Little chunky guys.
Oh, I got one my own.
Oh, okay.
Oh, like,
Keep him up. Keep rolling him up. Yeah.
How
Out
do you-
there.
I mean, that's so good.
He's like, what happened? I just jumped and I'm in the net. All right. Almost a double up. I should have held on to mine.
The bad thing about wasps is if you don't react, they attack you. If you react.
I got one. Oh my god, he ate it and then he spit it. Yeah. Look at my worm's gone.
Is it floating?
No, he ate it.
Yep, I got him.
Yep. Nice job. You don't. I just want you to break your line. Nice job there. Ooh, a little live scope.
Come on, go. Go. 8, 6, make it 10.
Let's do it.
I got more fish than you.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's my bait right there floating. We'll get it, okay?
Mm-hmm.
See, look at it.
Okay.
Ouch. Okay. Ouch, ouch. Okay, see it right there?
Can we release him? Ooh,
I'll show it
Evan.
back. Look.
Yeah.
So there's it. Oh, I got one. Yep, it's a fish.
I'll get out of the net.
Oh, what? Oh, it has a weird lip. No, don't fall, don't fall. Okay, got it. You are in it. Got a little guy. 9 fish, 1 more to go. They really cute. Oh.
You bet.
Got mine.
Yeah?
Yep.
Yeah, number 10. Oh, it's a beautiful sunfish.
It's a sunfish?
Yes.
Is that a crappie?
Oh, that's a nice. Oh, this is just gorgeous fish.
What is that? What is it?
It's a blue, like a bluegill.
Do it by the...
Look at how.
Does it fight a lot? Is it feisty?
Look at that beauty.
Let me do
Let's
it.
take a picture real quick. Oh
Can
my
I?
God, that's what my swim bait's supposed to
Do
be.
this. Do this.
You want swim bait? All right. Look at Evans.
Can I
Beautiful sunfish.
put it in the level?
Yeah.
Let me,
Put your finger in there.
if they're moving.
I got one. Oh, it's a good one. Finally. Finally. Not really a good one. Better though. Just like a little double picture, you with your sunfish and me at the best. He's not even big at all. Okay. Finally, one last fish, right? Woo, he's fat though. Woo, let's go.
Okay.
These guys are really easy. Just put your thumb right in. They're real easy. Just stick in there. It's like a real hard lip. Yeah, stick it and pinch it real tight. There you go. Look to the left. Yeah, guys. Woo. Woo. Yeah. Bye-bye, Beth. Woo. Little dude. Look how cool that thing is. Yeah.